this video we will be showing you how to remove the drop generator. At the rear of the printhead, identify the two captive screws securing the drop generator. Use a 1.5mm ball-ended hex driver to loosen these screws. They are designed to stay in place once unscrewed. Accessing the electronics typically involves opening the printhead assembly. According to technical specifications, this requires loosening the securing hardware at the rear of the printhead to allow the internal housing to be separated from the main chassis.
Remove the charge electrode. In a Domino X series printer, you remove the charge electrode during drop generator maintenance for three primary reasons: alignment accessibility, protection of sensitive components, and thorough cleaning. Remove the two screws located at the top of the drop generator. Once removed, disconnect all electricals associated to the drop generator. Take caution when disconnecting the wires to avoid any damages. When all connections have been removed, gently feed the wires through its wiring path to free the drop generator from the printhead.